Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my channel. I'm taking part in the Crafty Collaborators Monochromatic Instagram hop, but I've filmed a video and I'm going to share it with you as well. I'm using the 2023-2025 in color 6x6 DSP, also the Heartfelt Hexagon stamp set or bundle. And our colour for this week is Pebbled Path. So I'm using a Pebbled Path card base. I've also just grabbed a couple of the Pebbled Path DSPs from that pack, just scraps that I had in there. So I'm just lining that up just to create a little bit more interest. Then I have my Pebbled Path ink. And in this stamp set, there's actually two different styles of labels. I've gone with this one, which is a nice, quite a thick label. And then I've stamped my sentiment. Now I'm going to punch using that Hexagon punch, one from the solid cardstock of Pebbled Path, and then I'm also going to quickly punch out the sentiment piece. But because they're going to be the same size, and I want a matting piece for the Pebbled Path, I'm just going to fussy cut around the border of that hexagon shape. So we're going to have a nice small little border around. It's going to look really great. So what else do I need to say? Each week it's a different color, and I'm really going to try and do a card each week. What's really great is, you know, I can do a really simple card and still join in, and I really hope that you enjoy having a look at some of the simple cards that I'm going to create over the next few weeks. I did spend a little bit of time on the weekend creating the next 3, so I know I'm good for the next 3 weeks. But yeah, it's just something that I think would be super fun to do each week. And they're going through all the colours in the Stampin' Up! Colour families, so that's fun as well. So if you're in need of any of the supplies that I'm using on today's card, you can purchase them in my online store. It's a really great time to also purchase because we have celebrations. So if you spend $90 of product, you can earn yourself free celebration products, which is a really great deal. This deal stays around until the end of February, so you've got a little bit of time as well. In that stamp set, there's also a little heart or solid heart stamp. So I'm just going to stamp a little bit of those hearts in the background. Just creates a little bit more interest without really having to do too much. And I think, you know, sending you lots of love and hugs is a sentiment, so there's lots of hearts there, which is really pretty. I'm just going to use some liquid glue to adhere the 2 DSP pieces down, and of course, because we've got dimensionals, and I don't usually not put dimensionals on a card, I've popped up my sentiment with the dimensionals. And we're going to add a couple of, or 3 of those in color dots. So really pretty. So yeah, like I said, you can purchase any of the supplies I've used here, or any supplies that you need. I have a great customer gifts that I send out to my customers each month. So you'll receive a handmade card, and you'll also receive the month's Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle. If you spend more than $65 in product, I'll also send you this month's tutorial bundle. So you're getting lots and lots of gifts just for shopping with me each month. And what else do I want to say? And if you are new to my YouTube channel here, please, I would love it if you hit the subscribe, gave me a thumbs up, and left me a comment. Let me know what you think of Pebbled Path Monochromatic card for this week. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all really soon. Alright everyone, bye bye.